Are you tired of walking cross country?
Give me your bag.
Do you get tired of this happening to you? Well, we've got the thing for you. Hi, Angel here. And did you know that Dozen Junks are perfect for long distance trading through the ocean so you don't have to travel through desert lands? Also, by using Dozen Junks, you can get to the Emporia in India and switch out your goods. The monsoon winds will get you to the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengals. Hundreds and thousands of cargo can be carried on these ships. Just ask the Kingdom of Basin.
Where Egypt's linked to the south, and this trade given us a lot of economic development, you know? Along with that, we kept Christianity as our faith and brought in territorial expansion. And last, this trade made us the most prominent port with commercial ties across Southeast Asia.
If you order now, you'll get a 25% discount and a free pirate hat.
Give me your bag.
You get Using the Dozen Junks, you can get to the Emporia and the Indian Ocean, switch out your cart. Using the Dozen Junks, you can get to the Emporia and the Indian Ocean, switch out your cargoes with a trader, and take back home your new goods. Did you know that Dozen Junks are perfect for traveling? Is it traveling? Also,
Okay.
at these voyages, hundreds and thousands of cargo can be carried on these ships. Just ask the Kingdom of Basin.
I don't know where to go. Sisters. Okay, we were just keep us going. We're and brought in territorial expansion.
You know what? I gotta keep it recording.
Okay. Okay, and last.
A 25% discount and a free pirate hat.